In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model, texture and render this animation in 10 minutes. We'll be using a car mesh that was used in the previous tutorial. I'm recording this after modeling, texturing and rendering this animation and modeling, texturing and rendering the tutorial animation. The entire process took quite some time to prepare, and I'm saying this because can't figure out was how I was able to make this car mesh turn when it was moving. As you will notice by the end of this tutorial's finished car won't behave like this and remain stationary while moving. The only difference between the two scenes is how it took much more to place the car in the tube when I created the first scene. Since I have far less Blender skills in animation than other Blender skills, this tutorial was not easy to make. Please look for answers in how a car mesh can make realistic turns, while following the path. Let's begin. Let's create a curve circle and press the 3D button. If you don't see a curve circle, please activate an add-on called Add Curve Extra Objects. Let's create a tube mesh with a cylinder. What we need to do is selecting both end faces, and extruding inward by pressing I. We can select two edge loops and bridge edge loop them. Let's go to Object Data, Normals, and Auto Smooth, to fix the normal issue. Let's add the curve and the array modifiers. Array modifier needs to go above the curve modifier. Please match my settings. We need to rotate the cylinder like this. The relative offset needs to be 1.5. Let's arrange the curve points like this. Let's apply a metallic material. Our camera needs to follow the path. We need to reset its position and rotation. We can't rotate the camera view the way we usually do, because the camera is now bound to the curve. Let's test the animation. Let's clamp a point light to the curve. We can duplicate the curve and move with G to place them along the path. Time to bring in the car mesh from the previous tutorial. What I have done was combining all the car meshes after applying all modifiers. We need to scale it down and make it follow the path as well. This is exactly what I've done when I created my first scene, but for some reason this car is not rotating while following the path. I'll look for the answer as well, and update the comment section with a pinned thread later. This is the end of the car animation tutorial. Thank you for watching.